Hello kiddos, today we learn English alphabets with words and things name. Let's start. A for apple and A for ant. Wow, very nice. B for ball and B for bat. Wow. C for cat and C for what next? C for cup. Okay, D for duck and D for dog. Wow. What next? E for elephant and E for what next? E for egg. Wow, clapping. F for fish. Wow, fish and F for fan. G for what next? G for goat and G for tell me kiddos. G for grapes. H for hen. Wow, and H for horse. And what's your favorite? I for ice cream and I for guess. I for ink. Wow. J for jug. Wow, jug with juice. And J for joker. K for kite and K for what next? K for king. Yay. L for lion and L for lamp. M for mango. Wow, and M for monkey. Yay. N for nest and N for what next? N for nose. O for orange and O for guess all. Wow. P for guess guys, guess kiddos, penguin and P for panda. Q for queen and Q for quad. Wow, quad. And what is next? R for rainbow. Yay. And R for rabbit. Wow, kiddos, rabbit. S for sun and S for guess star. Okay, what next? T for tree and T for guess tiger. Wow, very nice. U for umbrella and U for unicorn. Wow. V for van. Excellent. And V for violin. Okay. W for watermelon and W for watch. What next? X for X-ray. Wow. And X for xylophone. Okay. Y for yogurt and Y for yak. Wow. And the last one is Z. Z for zebra. And what next? Your favorite place? Z for zoo. Wow, very nice. You have done great job, kiddos. Take care. Bye bye.